Hey guys, okay, we're doing a video for 7-9 conditional probability. We're going to take a look at what we've been dealing with numerically, and I believe this is my last video for the year. Okay, so conditional probability. We've been looking at this for a while in this form, probability of A given B. Well, now we can find it numerically. So probability of A given B is equal to the probability of A and B over the probability of B. All right, sounds really intimidating. It's really not that bad. Let's take a look. All right, the first example. In a school, the probability that a student takes environmental science and geography is 0.25. The probability that a student takes science is 0.72. What is the probability that a student takes geography given they are taking environmental science? In other words, out of the environmental science kids, how many are taking geography? Let's take a look at what this looks like. So I have P, A given B, which equals P, A, and B over the probability of B. Okay. So, with that being said, in a school, the probability that a student takes environmental science and geography is 0.25. That goes there. The probability that a student takes science is 0.72. That's that B part. So we basically already answered the question, okay? But we know we want to simplify the best we can. So now I'm going to 0.25 over 0.72, okay? As a fraction, that's 25 over 72. Or 25 ratio 72, or as a percentage, 35%. Either of those answers will do the job. Okay, next. Okay, last one. In a certain population, the probability that a man lives to at least 75 is 0.75. The probability that he will live to at least 85 years is 0.65. What is the probability that a man is 75 years old, and what is the probability he will survive to 85 years old? Okay, this one's not as clear, but understand that if you get to 85 years old, you were once 75 years old. So they're one and the same. Okay, and what we want to do, another hint here, a better hint I should say, a more clarifying hint, is that probability always requires the larger number to be on the bottom. That's actually the way I'm going to do this. Scratch what I said before. The larger probability, just put it on the bottom. It's the easier way to go about it. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. But I'm still right with my other example, right? It's 0.65, that's both 75 and 85. That's both those things. So I'm going to do that again, right? Before, I'll write this out again. Just so we're on the same page here. All right, and that's going to be 0.65 over 0.75. Again, you're basically done here. All you need to do is convert that to a fraction. Whoops, let's punch it in the right way. Right, that's going to come out to be 87%. That's what it gave me first. 13 over 15, or 13/15. Okay? All those answers will do the job. All right, you might even see the answer like that on a multiple choice test. All right, guys, I hope you guys found the video helpful.